Aina Bakis binti Mama Azli. My ID number is 20206111-494.
My name is Nur Aina Nazifa binti Awang and my student ID is 2020833272.
Hi, my name is Nurul Aida binti Sa'i. My ID number is 2020893832.
My name is Shasha Shahira binti Hassan and my student ID is 2020833358.
Introduction. The project queuing system takes place at one of the Tealive franchise located at the S4A8 Aeon Mall, Level 2, Jalan Jabatan Sultan Yahya Petra, Kampung Sirih, 15050, Kota Baru. The business hour is from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. The number of service is 1. This is the picture of service center building and server. This is the picture of the customer and waiting line.
I'm Nur Aina Nazifa binti Awang. We present about 3 types of characteristics. First, I will explain what is arrival characteristic. Arrival characteristic is characterized by the size of the calling population, pattern of arrivals at the system, and behavior of the arrival exists. For size of the calling population is unlimited, or we call infinite population size, because it can serve all the customer that arrive at the same time. For pattern of arrival at the system, customer must wait in the waiting line to make their orders. And for time, it almost the same because it is based on the number of orders at one time. Lastly, behavior of the arrival exists. 2 types of customer behavior. First is patient customer that wait in the queue until they are served and do not leaving before they order. Second is reneging customer who enter the queue but becomes impatient because the waiting line is too long and leaving without completing their transactions. Second characteristic is waiting line characteristic is characterized by the length of a line and queue discipline. For the length of a line is unlimited, which means no limits on number waiting. Next, queue discipline is first in, first out. It means the customer who arrive first obtain the service first, while the last arrival receive the last service. Lastly, service facility characteristic. The service system is characterized by the number of servers, number of phase, and the number of waiting lines. Number of channel or servers is single channel system, means the counter or server is only one for each phase. Second, number of phase or stations is multi-phase system, which means it has 2 phase of system. For the phase 1 is to order, meanwhile phase 2 is to pick up their order. Lastly, number of waiting line is multiple waiting line as it has 2 waiting line, which order waiting line and pick up waiting line.
Queuing model. I will explain about calculation queuing model for Tealive Aeon Kota Baru. For this study, the arrival rate lambda is 19 customer, service rate mu 25 customer, and have 1 server. For the first question, the probability that a number of customers are in a queuing system, the formula is P equal 1 minus lambda divided mu. Key in the data in this formula. The answer is 0.24 and the probability of number of customers in the system is 0.24. Next question is the average number of customer or unit in the system. The formula we use is L equal lambda divided mu minus lambda. After we insert the value of lambda and mu, the answer is 3.667. That means 3 customers in the queuing system on the average. Next is third question, the average number of customers in the queue. LQ equal lambda of 2 divided mu multiply mu minus lambda. Insert the value of lambda and mu. Answer is 2.4067. That means 2 customers in the waiting line on the average. Next is the average time a customer in system. W equal 1 divided mu minus lambda. Insert the data is 1 divided 25 minus 90 equal 0.167 in average 10 minutes in the system per customer. Next is the average time a customer spend waiting in the queue. WQ equal lambda divided mu multiply mu minus lambda. Insert the data of value mu and lambda. The answer is 0.1267 in equal 8 minutes average time in the waiting line per customer. The sixth question, the utilization factor for the system. P equal lambda divided mu equal 19 divided 25. The answer is 0.76. 0.76 is probability that server will be busy. And the last question is the probability that the server is idle. L equal 1 minus P. 1 minus 19 divided 25 equals 0.24. 0.24 is probability of server is idle.
Conclusion. Is the number of servers provided adequate? Yes, because the customer does not have to wait too long for their turn. Based on calculation, the average number of customers in the queue are only 2 customers. Are the customers happy with the waiting line? Yes, because the average time a customer spends waiting in the queue 0.1267, which is only 8 minutes. That means the waiting time is short. Is the assumption of FIFO satisfied? Yes, because the consumer who enters the system first is automatically served first and allowed to leave the system before the customer who enters the system after them.